Another day on the Ford Focus again. This time the car have a lot of vibration. Even though you put a part or into a dry, you can feel a lot of vibrating like that, you know. So I was looking at this motor mount, and you can see right there it's cracked. Not sure my camera can see it. Let me point it to. And if you're looking right here, see that right there? There's a cracking motor mount. So that's why it have a lot of vibrated. And this one right here, it's on the passenger side, but there's not two more. So I had to open this box here to be able to see the other one. And there's the one in the back where the transmission is. This one right there, all the way up here, can't see it. So I had to remove the air filter to see it. So another one right here, which is, this one is not bad, because this one have no crack or anything like that. Can't tell either because it's hitting under here, and I can see that little plastic thing come out right there. So it could be a bad one too. And I'm going to replace all three motor mount. This one's not bad, but I think the one inside here is the bad one. So that's why causing this car have a lot of vibrating, because this car have only 3 motor mount. One support right here, normally have 4, one in the front, one in the back, but this one have 3. So let's do the motor mount replacement. I'll put right here, and I will jack through the engine. So as soon as you have your jack support under the pan, you can slowly loosen this right here. But it's only 2 bolts holding this mount. If you don't have enough room, I prefer to take this out, but I'll leave a little bit right here so I can take this out like that. And then you don't have to remove this tank here. Okay. See that? See all of this cracking. See? So that's where you can't see it, because when it's set down and you can't see through, so that's why it's vibrating. You know, engine created vibration, so that's why you can't see it until you take him out like this. So the new one is coming like this. So you probably had to take this out and put this ones in. So I will pop this open. It's not that bad. Okay. It's not hard. Bend it out like that. Make sure you, whatever you take it out, put it back where it belongs. So if you put a reverse, then you will have a hard time to put it back. So now I have to bend this right here. I will use a vice grip like this to see I can bend it. Okay. Okay. See that? Need to bend this over. That's it. So to put it back, just reverse from where you take it out. Normally just insert from here play that will fit in there. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so just hitting this down. So jack a little bit more so it won't drive the engine so much. Okay. Don't put too much. You're going to strip the aluminum engine mounts holder right. Don't over torque. Okay, and then you drop down your engine. Okay, so now it's time to do the back one. So the back one is easy. It's only 2 bolts holding it. Okay, and socket number 15. Just take this out and take the one on the side. So this one just break loose like this, and then take this one out. So pull up, take the 2 out, and lube this right here, and you just swing like that, it come off. Okay, a little bit here worn out only, so not too bad. But so that's the new one, ready to put the new ones in. Take this one out. Okay, and then put this one in like that. And the top one, this is very simple engine mount compared to like Honda and all the cars. This is a simple one. And then this one's going back here. This right here. On this right here, this side I have to unplug this pin, pull this pin out, and then pull this pins out. Okay, and when you loosen that, just pop this. Push this one out. That. There. So this side's a positive, so you have to be careful. Don't touch anything, because negative on the other side. There's a clip holding this piece right here. Just slowly pull it out like that. Okay. So now put this on the way. And this is the number 10 socket. Okay. Come on, Ford. Don't make it so hard. Take the negative battery out too. Okay. Okay. There. Good thing this has battery proof holder like that. So inside here you have 2 number 15 holding this right here. So the screw holding this right here is very much is flat out, so there's no socket can hold it. So I'm going to drill this here with the cutting bit and to see if I can cut this plastic out. Yeah. And then there's another one down here with the round without cutting out, because the bolt that holding the bottom is stuck. Okay, so I have to cut this out. So now I cut all this out, so this can come out now. So I will put the jack in the transmission and take the other two bolt over here out. Okay, so now I'm going to take this two bolt that holding the top bracket here. You know, when your battery leaking, you should change your battery. Not supposed to have all of this mess. That's the number 18, just same as the other one. Okay, this is a number 8. So on this right here is pretty bad, you know. So if you don't change this one, you will still have vibrated, because this one's already been bad already. I cut this off, and you can see right there, the only thing that I have holding right now is this right here, because nothing else but only one bolt holding. This too is totally go bad. Like that. It should fit into the hole. If don't, use your hand, push this way, pull the engine towards you, or push forward. And then you can slowly tap this in. Okay, don't over torque, you're gonna break the transmission. Bracket here go on top. I spray some W40 to it, so that will help you lubricate, not rust so much. And then going to tie this one down first. I'm going to drill one right here so it will hold the battery in place. If I don't, probably it's still holding by one bolt, but better off with another one extra. Still pretty sturdy, you know, still sturdy. But I'm going to drill one right here. You can only drill this place here, or with the round one right here only, because the battery is sit on top right here, and if you drill to the wrong place, and let's say that your battery is sit on top of the screw, then you have a tight too much, and then it will crack the bottom of the battery out, you know. Okay, I got a hole right there. So now I will use this screw right here. This screw right here can drill through almost any metal, but I already pre-drilled into it, so it should have no problem to drill into this piece right here. Okay, so pretty sturdy. Not as sturdy as like 3 bolt holding it, but it's sturdy enough to not move anything. Okay, that is simple work for engine mount on this car, but the hardest part is, you know, to drill that out. But you don't have to drill, just cut it off. Okay, thank you for watching. So now you know how to do yours, so don't forget to subscribe, please. I need your help. My number is pretty low, so I need your help so my channel can grow like other people's channel. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe too. You stuck anywhere in this car, give me a call. No, just kidding. Just write down your comment and I will get back to you when I'm done with the other car. Bye bye now. You want a part number? Right here. Okay. And then this one, engine mount, part number, right there. And then last one, with this one right here. So you only have 3 mounts on this. Okay, you don't need more than that because I only have 3 mounts and easy to change.